Hey, how's everybody doing today? I wanted to give you guys a quick demonstration, just a quick video on how I make my protein shakes with the Fit Shakes, or essentially my breakfast most mornings, not every single morning because I do make real food breakfast occasionally, but I'm going to show you guys how to make what I call a loaded shake. And this is, of course, using Longevity's Fit Shake, which is ridiculously incredible shake with the built-in enzymes or added enzymes, probiotics, 25 grams of protein per serving, and a couple hundred calories. It's less than 200 calories when you combine the greens, but I like to load it for you guys that are trying to build some muscle and trying to get 30-40 grams of protein. I end up getting closer to 45-50 grams of protein when it's all said and done, because I do use milk. I use organic milk. I suggest you guys that don't want the weight gain or the extra calories to use maybe a almond milk or some type, maybe water even. But what I use is milk, and been using organic milk. I use a whole milk for the fat, for the saturated fat, which is actually healthy for you, believe it or not, according to popular belief. So I use I'll show you here in a second. About that much milk, which is, I'm guessing here, this is probably close to 12 ounces, maybe a little bit more than 12 ounces. But I've got this mixer, and you guys can get, this is a cheapy version of a Magic Bullet, which I suggest everybody gets. This is a one serving deal, one person deal. It's not a blender. You can use a blender if you want, but this is actually a little bit better, a little bit quicker. I just drink it right from the container. So what I do is I go one scoop. I go half scoop at a time because it's a little bit easier to put in this container because the top is not very big. So yeah, roughly a scoop. That's 3, but again, I broke those up. So a scoop of the Fit Shake, which contains bone broth, by the way. I mean, you guys could probably see. Let me see, there we go. You guys could probably see in the picture a lot of what it does contain. This is banana flavored. Here are your ingredients, and you can look these up at everyday.com, everyday90.com. And we have information. We're going to have a video up on this particular product here pretty soon, but it is fantastic. All right, here we go. For you guys who do not, and I know it's difficult to juice your fruit and vegetables, it gets kind of expensive to do it as well and a little messy, we have this other product. And I use 1 scoop of that. It's about 30 servings roughly in this thing, which is Super Greens, which contains, okay, I can't even get into how many things it contains. This is basically an antioxidant supplement containing your fruit and vegetables, which is a little difficult for everybody to get enough fruit and vegetables in their diet. So vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, probiotics. Well, it becomes an antioxidant with the nutrients that are in it. And here are the servings. Again, this is going to be on the Everyday 90 website, also the Facebook website. I've got different posts. You guys have probably seen some of the posts, but I'll post the videos on it. If not, like I said, you can go to the website and check it out. Anyway, don't want to get into too much information, too much detail. If you guys want it, we can definitely get it for you. But a scoop of that, scoop of the greens, and then what I do, and I don't recommend everybody do this because of obviously the, excuse me, organic large brown eggs, cage-free. I do add 2 raw eggs to it. Oop. And this is again going to increase the healthy fats, saturated fats, and it's going to increase the amino acid content, the protein content by probably 14 grams of protein per serving. So let me get every little bit of it, you know what I mean? So we're getting about 15 grams on the eggs, 10 grams on the milk is 25 plus 25 with the Fit Shake. So you're looking at about a good 50 grams worth of protein in just this little meal. Again, you can go without the greens. I don't suggest it because it's a lot easier to just a scoop of this guy and you're done. You can add fruit. You can add a banana if you don't like the flavor of it. You can throw the strawberries in there, frozen strawberries, whatever you want. But I'm telling you right now, acai berry, goji berry, oh gosh, banana, spirulina, you name it, it's in here. It's an incredible product. So what I do, keep it simple. Drop it in here, turn it upside down. Make a little noise. Get down tonight. All right, here we go. Maybe 10-15 seconds at most. Sometimes you get a little residue in there that stays on the side. Just hit it again. It's good to go, and that's it. You have a great start to your day. Good breakfast option to have for those who don't have a whole heck of a lot of time in the morning. Just knock this out. As you can see, it took me, and I'm talking, so maybe it took me 3, 4, 5 minutes worth of time, and you get a great start to your day. You get a complete meal, and you don't have to sit here and worry about cooking eggs and whatever it is you guys eat in the morning. Which we also have a list of foods that you should and shouldn't eat as well. So anyway, this is a great start. This is also a great meal replacement for anybody who's trying to lose weight. You got about taking the eggs out of it, again, you got a couple hundred calories. So this is a great start to your day. All right, guys, let us know if we can help you. We appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Take care. Good night.